Okay. Hello everyone, my name is Alvin Radhi Pratama. I'm from group 2. I own maybe. Okay, let's do it. I'm going to explain you more simple past tense. Okay. Material today is simple past tense. First, let's look at definition. What is simple past tense? Apa itu simple past tense? Simple past tense. It is a verb tense used to talk about action or event that happened in the past and are already finished. Ini adalah bentuk kata kerja yang digunakan untuk membicarakan aksi atau kejadian yang terjadi di masa lalu dan sudah selesai. Jadi ini berkaitan dengan waktu ya. So, time. The time of the action is usually mentioned or understood. For example, I went to school yesterday. Waktu kejadiannya biasakan disebutkan atau sudah dipahami. Contohnya tadi, I went to school yesterday. Saya pergi ke sekolah kemarin. Next, the function. We use this tense to talk about completed action and tell past experience. Jadi fungsi-fungsinya ini kita menggunakan tense ini untuk membicarakan aksi yang selesai berdasarkan pengalaman masa lalu. Sudah dibilang sebelumnya bahwa ini berkaitan dengan waktu, is the time. We can also describe all past habits or routines and tell stories or even in sequence. Kita juga bisa menggambarkan kebiasaan atau rutinitas masa lalu ya, dan menceritakan cerita atau kejadian secara berurutan. To know if a sentence is past tense, we can look at the time experience. Untuk mengetahui apakah sebuah kalimat berbentuk past tense, kita bisa melihat keterangan waktunya. We can use words like yesterday, last night, last week, 2 days ago, or in maybe it's the time, and ago yang berkaitan dengan masa lalu. Kita bisa menggunakan kata-kata seperti kemarin, tadi malam, minggu lalu, 2 hari, dan lain-lain yang berkaitan dengan waktu. Okay. Next, I will explain about verbal sentence. Okay. Verbal sentence use an action verb to show what the subject did. Kalimat verbal menggunakan kata kerja aksi untuk menunjukkan apa yang dilakukan oleh subjek. Jadi apa yang dilakukan oleh subjeknya tersebut ya, yang berkaitan mungkin sudah dengan waktu. Sebelumnya kita berbakat dengan waktu. You must use the past form or verb to for positive sentence. For example, she visited Paris last year. She visited Paris last year. Dia mengunjungi Paris tahun lalu. Jadi menggunakan kata kerja bentuk lampau atau kata kerja bentuk kedua untuk kalimat positif. Jika if negative sentence or question, negative sentence and question ini menggunakan verb one, use verb one. For negative sentence, we use did not or didn't plus verb one. For example, she did not visit Paris last year. Dia tidak mengunjungi Paris tahun lalu. Bisa juga digunakan oleh didn't. She didn't visit Paris last year. Intinya mau did not, mau didn't sama aja artinya. Menggunakan did atau didn't ya. Now, let's talk about the verb. There are two types of verb in simple past. Sekarang mari kita bicara tentang kata kerja atau dua jenis kata kerja dalam simple past tense. First, regular verb from the past tense by adding or it. Example, plays become player and clean become cleaner. Jadi kata kerjanya seperti untuk membentuk kata kerja beraturan membentuk masa lalu dengan menambahkan it. Contoh, played menjadi player. Maksudnya contoh play menjadi player dan clean menjadi cleaner. Second, irregular verb have different past form and must be memorized. Example, go become when and it becomes ate. Kata kedua, maksudnya kedua kata kerja tidak beraturan memiliki bentuk lampau yang berbeda dan diharuskan dihafal. Contoh, go menjadi when dan it menjadi ate. That's all for me. Maksudnya that's all from me. Next, okay, I will explain to non-verbal sentence. Non-verbal sentence. Okay. Non-verbal sentence. Do not use an action verb. Kalimat non-verbal tidak menggunakan kata kerja aksi. Instead, they use the past auxiliary verb was or were to describe a state, identity, or location. Jadi kata kerja bantu lampau was atau were untuk menggambarkan keadaan, identitas, atau lokasi. It is followed by a noun, adjective, or a verb. Ini diikuti oleh kata kerja benda, kata sifat, atau kata keterangan. The positive patterns is subject plus was or where plus complement. Example, they were happy yesterday. Mereka tidak bahagia kemarin. Next, how do we ask question? First form, yes, no question. Pattern is this plus subject plus verb one. Okay, example. Did you do your homework? Apakah kamu mengerjakan pekerjaan rumah? Second form, we have question. Pattern is big what? Plus did plus subject plus verb one. Kedua pertanyaan, polanya adalah kata kerja tanya. Di subject plus kata kerja satu. Example, where did she go last weekend? Kemana dia pergi akhir pekan? Oke, go will be deeper. Oke, we are going to example paragraph. Example paragraph from my last holiday. Jadi kita lanjut ke paragraf yang berikutnya. Last holiday, I went to my grandmother's house. I arrived there in the afternoon. We talked and ate dinner together. The next day, I helped her in the kitchen and played with my cousins. I felt very happy and enjoyed my holiday. As you can see, because it already happened. To summarize or precision, simple past tense is used for action that happened in the past and are already finished. Untuk merepresentasikan simple past tense digunakan untuk aksi yang terjadi di masa lalu dan sudah selesai. It uses verb to or was or were in positive did not plus verb one in negative and did plus verb one in question. I think that's all from our group. Thank you so much for attention. If you have any question, please feel free to ask. Goodbye.